So in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your photo and video footage from an Insta360 X3 camera to your mobile phone. So I'm not going to waste any time, we'll just get stuck straight into this. There's a few things you're going to need before you do this. Obviously you're going to need your camera, duh. And you're going to need the app on your phone. So if you've not already downloaded the Insta360 app, go ahead and do that from your Play Store or the App Store on an Apple phone. And you are going to turn on your camera. So I'm going to assume you've just been out shooting footage and you want to put together like a cool edit and have a play around with the 360 footage you've got off the camera. So you're going to turn your camera on. We're going to make sure the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth is enabled on this, and it should already be enabled. If it's not, just swipe down from the top of the screen and you can access your settings menu to turn it on. It should already be turned on though. And then in our phone, we're going to open up the Insta360 app. And you'll be presented with like all sorts of stuff, and we want to click this yellow button at the bottom of the screen which shows a camera and a Wi-Fi symbol, and that's basically going to connect your camera to your phone. If you've got more than one Insta360 camera like me, it may try and connect to another Insta360 camera. So what we're going to need to do is connect to a different device, and then if your camera is turned on, it will find the X3 camera and it'll tell us here that it's connecting the device. This is pretty cool. We're going to click join, let it do its thing. Nearly there. Connects to Wi-Fi. Okay, now our phone is connected to the camera. So what we can do now is we can navigate over to albums at the bottom, and we should be able to easily navigate through the footage that's on our camera. So you can see here it's separated by dates, so we can easily find what we want. And if we just click just one video to start with, you'll see this is a mountain bike video that I shot, and it'll just instantly start playing. So from here we can click on the screen and pause it, and we can edit as we need to before we export it to share on social media or whatever you want to do with your footage. And I'm going to do a separate video on how to do editing off on a phone, because there's many different things we can do. But that is simply how to connect your Insta360 camera to a mobile phone. Hope it was useful. Any questions, pop them below and I'll get back to you.